with our names and with this heart with a locket.
What?
And yeah, fast forward a few
Wow,
years
that is
later,
just so stupid, especially driving a company truck.
To keep you going, we are talking about traveling and getting into trouble. If you've got a story, send us a text. They kept the your suitcases didn't come out. Your luggage hadn't come out.
But you wait as you normally would, right?
Yeah,
and then
you were leaving.
After time goes by, you're like, okay, well,
I was gonna say, I thought they had a green light. I don't know why that guy stopped.
The airport, but I guess.
Oh, it's the lineup for. That was super bad. Wow.
I get up, I get down, and I'm jumping around. And the rump is some rock. It's a when it's done, yeah. I would never let you know. I'm ashamed of what I've done, yeah. When I look at you in your eyes, the time we spent together, we grew up and lost touch. I always keep your photograph, warm inside. Rolling up my sleeves. Right now I'm in my zone. Put your eyes on me. Did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found we can just. You always know just what to say. I always look the other way. I'll run.
What's going on here? I don't think this is a 2-lane road. I really don't think this person in front of me should be positioned like that, though, because, yeah, I think I just saw this lady, like, throw her hands up. They're kind of in the way of the traffic in the left lane. Something went down at this intersection.
Deal on glasses. Come get your eye exam, prescription, and eyewear all in one trip. Some conditions apply. See in store for details. Optometrist on site.
Fast track your career with our new Warehouse Express program. This program will give you the introductory skills.
this Corolla in front of me doesn't know the difference between how to signal left and how to signal right.
Photos of me. Groups of photos of me.
After you. You can go. There's nobody coming from the left. Oh, it's like he heard me. Ooh, shit. Oh, yeah, they hit each other.
Well, hearing about an accident, 97th Street
Really
Bridge
funny.
and Henday heading northbound in the left lane, so you want to stay very far right, are now family members saying. My question for you is, do you have a tattoo that you regret? I know a lot of you have tattoos that you love so much. I have one.
We decided to get matching tattoos with our names and with this heart, with a locket.
What?
And yeah, fast forward a few years
Wow, that is
later,
just so
we're
stupid,
divorced.
especially driving a company
So
truck.
Charming, I feel. Did my car just sing?
Yeah, that's the hump. You must have Bel Air Direct Insurance. The cars, they love it. It's so simple to submit a claim.
How's your
using
driving
the app.
school
They get
bus?
fixed up
It's
fast.
impatient.
But will it hum forever?
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins off the overpasses in Indiana smashes through a windshield, almost kills a guy named Caleb over the weekend. So now in Indiana, the state troopers are totally taking this calmly and saying, call police if you see teens on overpasses.
Any teen doing anything.
Turn left. Red light camera reported ahead.
eating with the face still on it.
Yeah.
She picks it up. She shows me its beady little eyes and says, "Go deep, please."
That's it.
And it sounds just like a song. I want your belly.
Put some fresh in your step with a free footlong sub at Subway restaurants. Buy a footlong sub on the Subway app and get a second one free. Then pick it up quickly and safely.
Perfect. So you download the app.
Maybe you can actually go onto the sidewalk, you know, where you should have been in the first place. Yeah, like that.
Order ahead, and I'll pick it up.
In 200 meters, use the right lane to turn right on one.
Right? Those names, initials, faces. Does anyone have a face tattooed?
Excuse
on their
me,
body
both
that
of you.
regret? This one says, I have covered up one tattoo and I'm getting another.